Guys, it's still Converse.
Converse? Ba't Converse?
Converse! Muntikan pa kami mag-away ng ate ko, magsuntukan dito. Hi guys. Good morning. It's day 2 in Cebu. Oh my gosh, ano yon? What? Shave? Nag-vlog na ko. So it's currently 5:13 a.m. in the morning. So ang call time is 6 a.m. Dapat nasa lobby na kami. So that we can go on the float na. Para hindi kami ma-traffic mamaya. And then, guys, ang dilim pa sa labas talaga, no? Tingnan nyo naman. Guys, do you see that? Oh my gosh. Hindi nyo pa na makita. And ang aga-aga na call time. Tapos hindi kami early birds ng ate ko. Ito ay pinakamadali ang bihis lang. At ako na today guys ay plain shirt and jeans lang. Kasi sa float lang kami tatayo for the whole day. Nag-cram kami actually ngayon kasi the driver is nasa baba na and andito pa kami sa taas. So guys, my shoe is still Converse. Yan ba gusto mong pronounce?
Converse.
It's
Converse.
Guys, okay lang ako ate. That's why. But anyways, shoes guys is still Converse.
Converse? Ba't Converse?
Converse!
Yes.
Very OA naman masyado yun. Converse!
No, hindi ganun. Converse.
Guys, muntikan pa kami mag-away ng ate ko, magsuntukan dito kasi everything must be on, you know, rush. And I don't like rush. Okay. Bag ko Goyard pa rin. So guys, I'm gonna wear this still perfume. Same pa rin. The Gucci pa rin ang perfume. Walang pinagbago. Still the same. But before that, bago tayo mag-fit check, dapat may music muna tayo. This is my final outfit. Outfit! Bye guys. See you on sa float. Bye!